on to the second crypto trade of the day. Another active position we have on the DOGCOIN. Talked about the DOGCOIN quite a bit. And this one, I mean, you can clearly see ever since early November, been trading sideways in the tight range, right? In a narrow range. And I feel like it wants to go back to the lower section, which is why it's taking its time trading sideways like it does. And the fact of the matter is, price action never made contact with 36.33, and that is very suspicious to me, right? It was very close back in late November. That's the tiny margin was separating between price action and that key level. And then the second time again, about a week ago, got really close, but the lowest low was 36.53, right? Where the key level itself is 36.33. So again, a tiny margin, almost touched base, but didn't really. That tells me that it will come back to it later down the road and finish up the job, which is why we're so adamant holding this short position, this bearish campaign, all the way to the finish line, right? Now, we pulled the trigger twice here as well, right? We started off with one trade, but then we saw that price action doesn't really cross back above 41.55, but rather just taking its time by trading below that area. And then today, price action on the back foot. So right there and then, doubling up our position size and now focusing on two levels. First, the one that we've talked about, 36.33. I believe price action is going to make contact, solidify a touchdown with that level. But I also feel like it will continue beyond that point and try to chase the previous major low. And I'm talking about, when I say previous major low, I'm talking inside of that range, inside of that sideways movement structure. So that low is right there, 17th of November, lowest low 33.99. Now our key level profit target of 33 is actually again a Fibonacci projection measurement taken on the previous opposite move. So we're talking about this 4 or 5 days of upside push from the bottom, talking about December 3rd all the way to the top, December 8th, right? Applying on that move, applying the 161.8. That's the golden ratio. It's a solid Fibonacci projection measurement that I always like to use unless I have more of a solid support level to work with. Similarly to the Cardano situation, we already have 2 trades in. It's a short-term type of trading opportunity. So it's a quick one, could be done in a day or two, which is why I believe we're not going to get more aggressive on this one than what we already, the situation already is. 2 trades, pretty sure we're going to follow up with these 2 all the way to the finish line. The first one is addressed to 36.33 and the second one is addressed to 33 flat. Now, the only reason we're going to pull out those 2 trades and terminate this position is if we're going to have price action struggling to break below 36.33. If we're going to see price action having problems to actually cross below and it starts to react to that level and start bend upwards a little bit, that's going to be our cue to run for the exit, right? Secure the profit that's been made so far at that point and just go and look for opportunities somewhere else. We're not going to die on that hill trying to chase that last line of support, 0.33. All right, guys, as far as stop loss level goes, we've made a bit of an adjustment here, tightened it up a little bit, took it from 47 flat to 45.40 as your eyes can see. And that's pretty much all there is to it. These are the 2 positions we have right now in the market. DOGCOIN, Cardano, super interesting stuff. We're going to come back to this one for sure. Follow up and keep you posted. That's about that for the day. Enjoy the rest of it. We're going to see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.